The most expensive UAE coin and dirhams. Year 1998. Arabic calendar is 1419. This is 1 dirham. This is 1 dirham 1998. The most expensive coin. This one, no. You see this one. 1 dirham. 1 dirham. 1998. Another one is 50 cents. 50 cents. This is 1998 also. 1998. 1419 in Arabic calendars. This is 50 cents. You see this one, 50 cents. This 50 cent, 50. 50. This is 50 cents UAE dirham, the most expensive also in UAE coins. You see this one, 50 cents, and another one is 25 cents. 25 cents, the same with the year 1998. And the Arabic codes is, Arabic calendars is 1419. Isang sheet na po sila, tatlo po itong hawak ko. 1998, 25 cents. This is 25 cents. 25 cents. This is 25 cents. UAE coin and dirhams. You see, tatlo po sila. Isang sheet na po sila. Isang sheet. 1 dirham, 50 cents, and 25 cents. This is the most expensive coin in UAE. This is collectible in United States of America. You can see this one in 1 year 1998 scene. Tatlo silang puro parehas ang year 1998 at ang Arabic calendar is parehas din 1419. Bali isang sheet itong hawak ko. Isang sheet po sila. 1 dirhams, 50 cents, and 25 cents. The most expensive in UAE coin. Marami pong salamat. Sa panonood nyo, marami pong salamat. Thank you, comment, and advice is necessary. Marami pong salamat. Comment lang kayo.